everywhere I go, I keep a picture in my wallet like you.
Take a look at my girlfriend. She's the only one I got.
I'm currently on my sem break, which means that I will be home for 1 month. I thought that I would start making myself food. I'm a lazy gal who can't really cook. I don't usually have breakfast because I don't wake up early enough to eat that. This week, I'm waking up a little bit earlier because I have stuff to do. Today, I decided to make avocado toast with cherry tomatoes because this just reminds me of my childhood. Not childhood, when I was like 14, 15, when I used to make these almost every time. I finally found time to make this, also because I woke up at 9:30 today. I miss the flavors of this. I watched a recipe on TikTok and somebody added oat milk inside. This is the exact brand that they were using, by the way, and I so happen to have this as well. So I just made the quickest but the best meal. This is Maggi curry with cheese, and this time I added oat milk. I just saw someone on TikTok do that, but I wondered if it would actually taste good. So I added some frozen fish balls, just so some of y'all be like, why is she on this fatty eating patterns? Because I am. I don't mind being a fatty as long as I'm happy. If you're a lactose intolerant baddie, I don't think you'd survive. Oh, and did I mention I am pretty lactose intolerant? It's worth suffering in the toilet for. I just got up not long ago and it's currently 12 p.m. My eyes feel so swollen, but today we are having a yogurt bowl with granola, blueberries, peaches, and banana. Solid 8. Eggs are gonna be perfect because I didn't time when to stop the fire. first time cooking pasta. I'm so hungry. I don't know how it's gonna taste because it's my first time making this, so damn, I can cook. I take back what I said. I'm waiting for my mom to come home so that she can try my food as well. I'm so hungry. Hey guys, it is a Friday and today I'm going out for dinner with my friends and we're also gonna go play pool, so that's why I'm really excited because I love pool. I woke up really late this morning because I went to bed at like 4:30 yesterday. I'm having a Coke because I was craving something sweet. Anyways, I will update you guys later when I'm eating. Hopefully I remember, because whenever I'm having fun, I forget to vlog. But see you guys later. Morning guys. Enough. That's enough. Oh, sorry.
What's good? Hello, Danny Bob. Just give me some cheese rice now.
Thank you.
Just give me my cheese rice. Look, it's the cheese rice.
Okay.
Bomaka is the.